Hey, we got one cow stuck in the mud.
Now it's pretty crucial we get her out. If she stays there, crocodiles are going to grab her and eat her. So Mick's going to come over the sling, I'll hook her up, pull her out.
I'll get around her front shoulders. Yeah, just drag it, eh?
I want to get in and get out as quick as I can. Crocodiles are around here.
Lift her up. Roger.
This might seem like a lot of work for just one cow, but they're worth about $500 a head, and each one will breed more cows.
Yeah, roger, mate.
Beef cattle ranches, we call them stations, cover thousands of square kilometres across Australia's outback. It's big business.
She's a little unhappy at the moment. The sling slipped a little bit. At least she's not going to get eaten by a crocodile.